Okay, next. An aluminum wire, stress 34.5 megapascal in tension. What temperature increase in degrees Celsius required to change the length by the same amount? E equals 70 gigapascals and alpha is also given. Okay. So dito, kailangan lang balikan natin yung, ano kasi to no? Physics kasi to technically, pero parang ano lang din, strength of materials. So, di ba yung axial deformation is PL over AE. Okay? Pero actually, itong P over A is stress, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, pwede mo rin ito i-write as stress L over E. Okay? So, yung stress given, 34.5 megapascal. Okay? E given din, no? So, given din yung E. So, hindi mo mako-compute yung deformation, no? Pero ang gusto niya kasi, yung deformation dyan is same lang sa deformation due to temperature. Ano ba yung deformation due to temperature? Hindi ba alpha, change in temperature times L. So, ito rin yung ginagamit natin sa thermal stresses. Yan din yung ginagamit natin sa surveying, yung correction due to temperature, no? So, ginagawa lang itong TA minus TS, no? Anyway, ito yung hinahanap natin. So, kailangan same yan. So, equate natin, no? So, lumalabas na alpha delta P L should be equal to stress L over E. So, mapapansin, magka-cancel lang pala yung original length. And from there, we can now solve for the delta P, which is stress over alpha E. Ayan. So, makakompute na natin. 34.5 over times. So, kailangan lang itong ano guys, 70. Kailangan naka-ano to, megapascals. No? Kasi naka-megapascal itong 34.5. So, para maging megapascal, mag-multiply lang tayo ng 1,000. Okay? Sorry. Ano pala to? Raised to negative 6. Negative. So, that gives us 21.9. So, our answer here would be letter A.